and within the reach of my hand she's sound asleep. And she's sweeter now than the wildest dream could have seen her. And I watch her slipping away, but I know I'll be hunting hard